While most people think that a student's access to mental health services in school is critical, there's a disconnect because parents say only a fraction of schools provide any services at all. But hopefully we can start asking the right questions and get our kids the resources that they need. The other day, I spoke to the school counseling services lead for Pearson, Morgan Champion.
Morgan, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
No problem. Now, I'm really excited to get into this topic. How can we tell, first, how did we get here as a country in the first place?
Absolutely. Well, I think it's important that we mention that we were really dealing with a mental health crisis prior to the pandemic, and the pandemic has exacerbated, the mental health challenges that our students have already been facing. So we recently conducted a survey, our Pearson Global Learner Survey, that told us that parents really want schools to prioritize mental health, and that's driving their decisions about where they want to enroll their children. We found that nearly 2/3 of parents want their child introduced to mental health awareness and resources as early as elementary school. And we've also found that 90% of parents are reviewing those mental health services that schools are providing, and that's what's driving their decisions about where they enroll their kids. So as a professional counselor with Connections Academy in Pearson, this really tells me we're heading in the right direction.
Yeah, and so how can we, spot those warning signs? Prevention is
Mhm.
always, kind of our number one thing to go to. How do we know if the students are being burned out or, we need to catch on to those mental illness signs sooner rather than later?
Absolutely. Well, as parents, it's incredibly important that you stay in tune to your child's moods, affect, and behavior. Make sure that you're paying attention to any changes in their sleeping and eating patterns, any rocky friend relationships they might have, and as well as any concerning comments such as feeling like they're a burden or potentially giving away their possessions. Those are definitely warning signs that you want to seek professional mental health support. And one great first step in having that conversation is reaching out to your child's school counselor. They are a free resource to you, and they can also refer you out to some local mental health resources in your community as well.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about that. What can parents and the school and teachers just working together do to kind of help or spot these things before they start?
Absolutely. Well, keeping a close eye on our children, making sure that you're surrounding yourself with a positive support system. The adage still stands, it takes a village to raise a child. And so making sure that you have, interaction with your child's school counselor, you're knowing what types of things they're dealing with during the school day. Those are all great ways to kind of keep a gauge on how your child is doing emotionally.
Yeah. So what about homework? We always hear about, homework can be stressful just in general, and then we add the pandemic on top of that. How do we know how much is too much?
Well, homework has long been a divisive topic among parents and students, and our survey actually showed us that 75% of our parents want to see less homework for their children because they think it is directly affecting their mental health and their well-being. We also learned that parents want schools to take a stand and provide additional supports to students, such as extracurricular activities related to wellness and providing more physical fitness opportunities. They also want to see schools providing free mental health services for both students and staff members.
And how can technology kind of play a role in this? Tech is involved in everything we do now, 2022. I'm hoping,
Mhm.
that technology can help in this topic as well.
Absolutely. Well, all screen time is not created equal. So if your child is utilizing technology for educational opportunities or watching something like an animal documentary, that's certainly not the same as scrolling through social media endlessly. So I encourage families to set up some healthy boundaries with technology. Make sure that as parents, you know who your child's interacting with on their social media accounts, and being sure that you are really in tune with your child's relationship to technology.
Absolutely. I think that all of that is amazing, and those tips are really going to help parents at home. Can you tell everyone out there where they can go for more information?
Absolutely. If you'd like more information about our Pearson Global Learner Survey, you can visit pearsonplc.com. And if you'd like some tips and resources to help your family, please visit connectionsacademy.com/emotional fitness.
Well, thank you so much, Morgan, for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. I enjoyed it.
I loved having that conversation. Now it is time for